At the table we gather, a constant in this time of uncertainty, a routine that does not falter, a comfort in that. Conversation of our depression parents comes up more as we devise ways to stretch a meal into new creations. A butternut squash provides a tart, a meal of gnocchi, and soup with homemade bread. Food from our garden is harvested, so grateful we have it to lessen supplies from the store. Lettuce and radishes are abundant, lending themselves to the base of many a meal that we enjoy. Fresh eggs from the neighbor next door adorn many of our dishes. Our pizza oven brings us joy, and the pies we create are only limited to our imaginations. As our flour and beans are plentiful, they become a star or backdrop for many of our meals. Celebrations are not forgotten, but somehow now take on new meaning. Planning and making a homemade meal takes time, something we have a lot of. Desserts are relished, as they are a special treat. We discuss how this will all end and when our regular life will return again. We converse of friends we long to see. We linger. We punctuate the end of each day with our meal. We know we've made it through. Every night, a beautiful meal awaits. At our table, we gather.